As a marketing consultant, you know that even small mistakes can have big consequences. One typo in a client's campaign or a missed deadline could lead to thousands in losses, and you might be the one responsible for paying. That's where Next Insurance professional liability coverage comes in. This coverage protects you if a client claims your work caused them financial harm. It can cover legal fees, settlements, and even judgments against you, up to your policy limit. It's designed for real-world scenarios. A broken discount code, a miscommunication on project deliverables, or a campaign that doesn't perform as expected. Even if the issue wasn't technically your fault, this coverage helps you avoid paying out of pocket. It's quick to set up, budget-friendly, and tailored for marketing consultants. Protect your reputation, your income, and your future. Click the link in my description to get your free quote from Next Insurance today.